Hello guys. Today we talk about Microsoft Excel. What is Microsoft Excel? A software program created by Microsoft that uses spreadsheets to organize numbers and data with formulas and functions. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet for Windows, Mac OS, Android and iOS. It features calculation or computation capabilities, graphing tools, pivot tables, and a macro programming language called Visual Basic for applications. Some uses of Microsoft Excel. Excel is typically used to organize data and perform financial analysis. It is used across all business functions and at companies from small to large. The main uses of Excel include data entry, data management, accounting, financial analysis, charting and graphing, programming, time management, task management, financial modeling, almost anything that needs to be organized, data functions, formula, and shortcuts. The Excel software program includes many functions, formulas, and shortcuts that can be used to enhance its functionality. Some shortcuts for Windows and iOS. Edit Active Cell. For Windows F2. For iOS Control U. Insert Worksheet. For Windows Shift F11. For iOS Shift F11, define a name for a cell. For Windows Control F3. For iOS Control F3, start a new line within the same cell. For Windows Alt-Enter. For iOS Control Option Return. Insert or edit cell comment. For Windows Shift F2. For iOS Shift F2. In Microsoft Excel we have many tabs like Quick Access Toolbar, Title Bar, File Tab, Row Bar, Column Bar, Ribbon, Status Bar, Worksheet Area, View Buttons, Zoom, Formula Bar, and many more. Basic formulas of Microsoft Excel. There are some basic formulas of Microsoft Excel are sum, maximum, minimum, now, average, count, count A, length, abs, rand between, upper, lower, proper, and many more. Where we can use these formulas. We can use these formulas in many ways like, we can use it to make mark sheet, we can use it to make salary sheet, it can be used by the corporation to track profit and losses, it can be used by the economists to generate the growth graphics of country, economy, it can be used by women to manage household budgets and in many ways. Thanks for watching.